guys, today we show you in this series in this video how to make custom buttons in Scratch. Yes, that thing. I've been working on it. On this, the title screen has been done today.
Hey Google, what's a whale shark?
So
What's the whale shark for what?
you can easily find us right here. You don't have to though. So you don't. If
Hey
you,
Alexa,
I'm on mobile. So yeah, that's like.
what's a whale shark?
So I just type this
Hey
in.
Alexa, what's a whale shark?
Hmm.
The whale shark.
And I can just insert a button.
Look at this whale shark. See that whale shark?
And now we're going to go to costumes.
That's the crazy whale shark. Your life.
And we can actually change the color. So we can make it a dark green, or we can make it a whitish color, which is pretty cool. This will have basically have a chance to see them.
We should know about making sounds. Because there's even more making sounds. My name is the coolest one. My name is the cool one. And I'm the coolest one. Everybody loves me. Look at this. There's a party in here.
Okay.
Okay, watch the bands.
We still sub.
What?
The
The king is hungry, guys.
We're gonna want to
The
type
king's
in
hungry.
play.
Finally, all these years.
I'll make small
Look.
games in Scratch.
Look, I'm working mine
Most of the
instead.
time they'll be big games I'm working.
Jacob, I'm looking
Yes,
at check out
this
your
will be a demo
Jacob,
available for you to
check
play
your Queen's Hungry.
on Scratch.
And
And perhaps mobile support.
Jacob,
And I'm gonna somehow play
check
it like
of your King's Hungry.
school.
Okay.
Dude. Okay, hold on.
I need to get up.
So you're gonna want to include this and I'll name it Start Button.
Get the food. I need to bring
Start.
the food.
Button.
All are gonna go to get the food.
And you can also pick
Jacob, they're all gonna go make the food.
now.
I got.
Now we're just
We have the
gonna want to go in.
Breathe now. There's babies. I'm working in out here.
We need to find a way.
Goodbye.
We're just gonna want to what are you saying?
Bones. From a skeleton thing.
Sorry, I don't know about that.
This is a skeleton of bones. That's a funny sound.
Oh wait, I think this one is broken. You could easily just remember the Start Button B was also included. We can also just remove it. I'm gonna flip it over because I could see a lot more in this form, and it's more better to use for me. Whoever's I'm on my iOS device. I'm using Chrome because it's native, and then I I didn't have a choice
I'll go
about
with you.
taking this one though.
Go
So
put
can we
it
get a
up
whip
like
in the
food.
chat for me? So
Now we can
So we're
open
just
that.
I'm planning to make it somehow in the middle, but not
Bonesy bones. Oh no, it's Bonesy Bones.
So you'll first get to this title screen.
Bonesy bones, bonesy bonesy bones, bones, bonesy. Bonesy bonesy bones.
But
Can we quote? Get one of you. Got a well done for him. One needs to do something. All these ones.
but then you see you're gonna want to type in Thickable Wackish.
Bones. Here's some dinner.
Pray.
I'm not hungry
This is just
anymore.
a rework of it. The old Pray button. But I'm sorry that you experience the difficulties. But working on this, and soon everybody can play it. Yes, everybody will be able to play it when when the demo comes out. This is the game I'm going to be showcasing. And it's full development.
Where do you get it?
Scratch. Yes, I'm using Scratch right now. Because it's a
I
fun.
want to play.
Now we're just gonna rename it to Start Button.
I want to go to Scratch. I want to go to Scratch.
Hold on, it's a website.
Dude.
Hold on.
Give me to that website.
Hold on, dude.
Give me to that website.
Hold on, dude. I'm doing a video, and it's about the
Bonesy, bonesy, bones.
Oh my gosh, I was trusting her. Did you just go? I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going back to my house. Come on, do your job. All right,
You have to send help,
she's contemplating her life right now.
guys.
I want to hold the word.
He did it. He didn't rule the word.
Yeah, guys. Hey, Trill, did you want to play with me?
Don't play with him. By the hasting, you don't want to play with him.
Yeah, guys, play with me, play with me, play with me. I'm the cool kid.
So on this will be
Come on, I make a video now. Come on, I make a video of it. I'm putting it on Twitter. It's on Twitter as well.
Some help and that would be great.
Come on, I sweated it. That's
it's very hard to keep it consistent. I'm sorry for the inconvenient difficulties. I'm having difficulties right now.
Actually, guys, play with me.
Play with both of us.
No, only me, guys.
Why only you?
Because I'm the cool kid.
We both cool kids.
No, I'm only the cool kid.
Guys,
only like my channel.
to our channels.
No, only mine.
Dude. Yeah. Why do you not want people to experience?
Look, I want people to subscribe mine. Cause
Why don't you want people to subscribe to mine? Dude.
Watch where to go to
I'll just movie theater.
Watch
So,
when I'm in the acid, Jacob.
this is the first thing you'll see.
Watch when I go into this water, Jacob.
Okay, hold on.
Okay?
Okay, hold on.
Ooh, it kills you.
That's
That's
how
acid. That's acid.
it won't do anything right
acid on
now. But when I'm done with a little bit of coding, we just have to do some coding before we can get it to work. Before we can get a working play button, which one would take us to I'm also planning on adding story mode. It's special thanks to Star 7 for giving me an idea with the story mode on the Backwoods we visited. I went to play it online. And plus I want to make more levels inside. Not only levels. Well, what happened?
Fortnite.
Well, nothing happened. What did I expect?
Why would you look at Fortnite? Because I just practiced my pickaxe to side. Diamond to nine. Hey, hands up. If you hear a sound, I'll know it's you again. What the? I just got up there. Creeper on man. I'm going to get my diamond tonight.
Nope.
I'm actually reading the cookie. What?
Well, now we actually have the full button. A little full. Now we gotta have it all. It's all merged.
Jacob!
What?
Can you help me with this?
Oh, I don't know how to do that part. Maybe you try to he's probably getting over it. Eat. I helped you. It was confusing at first.
I just yeeted me off. Well, I yeeted me.
Anyway, the menu will look a little more organized. I'll change up the menu a bit in the full version. Keep in mind, demos. I can revamp it.
Yeet! I just yeeted.
Story mode will be a button that you can click to teleport to a loading sequence, or you'll teleport to a house. Wait. So first of all, you're going to go
Bonesy, bonesy,
to
bones.
events.
Bonesy, bonesy, bones. Look up. I did that in class. Bonesy, bonesy, bones. I did that. Bonesy, bonesy, bones in class.
Basically, the code is
Bonesy, bones.
when
Bonesy, bonesy, bones, bones, bones,
when the sprite is clicked,
bones.
no, we will be right back. Now we're inside the code. We're inside the world code of it. And we can have variables.
When are our devices going to get taken Wake up.
What?
Wake up. I want it on mine.
Hold on, it's a website. You gotta wait for me because you know why. When the spiders clicked.
Why do the spiders click from the...
I'm pointing on.
Well, why do the spiders click from the poopies? Why do the spiders
I'll
don't
clue
care
them.
about their poopies?
I
Go
don't
away
know.
from their poopies. They jump in the toilet. Why do spiders jump in the toilet?
I don't know.
Can I make you? Because they got stuck in the crack. Then they got stuck in the hole. They got stuck down the toilet. And then they peed in the toilet. And then they got stuck in the crack. Then they got stuck in the crack. Because they got stuck in the crack.
Okay. Please stop that.
Is it funny?
Is it funny?
Yeah. 'Cause
You're not making.
spiders-
Oh, you're not making it funny.
Think about it, make it funny. Because it said,
You
Why
weren't
would-
making it funny for a bit, for 1 minute. 3 minutes. Guys, that is how you make a button. The code is on Read Horde. I know.
Horsey. Horsey.
I'll figure out how.
Horsey.
Please stop saying horsey.
Twinkle toes. Horsey.
Stop arguing with yourself.
We have question. Push.
So,
Push.
I'm gonna want to,
Push. Look at this plushy. Plushy. I come inside the bones.
we're gonna want to, go here.
Look up. Yeah. Oh, this, oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so pretty.
Keep in mind.
Hey. Hey. Oh.
Play button.
Pick up, look. Look.
Hold on.
Oh, look.
What?
Oh,
I know.
there was a fox though. Do you like fox though?
Yes.
How do we throw them both into each other? How do we throw
Mm.
them both into each other?
I also include some mobile controls in the full. So I will keep the mobile controls here. Because mobile controls are better. So your game can be playable on mobile.
You know I put mine on mobile. Put my video on mobile. I can pick up that.
And then
Weird.
Sylvia underscore says, "Hey, I love your videos. They help me go through. They have helped me through a lot of time
this is a little tricky.
Whoa. You all should be caught in the weeds.
Crazy Panda.
Oh no.
Thank you for everything you and your family do.
There's a weed nearby.
And then we have
Just put.
Hi guys. I'm sorry. It's fine.
But I need to do this first. When the spot is clicked, next. next backdrop. I'm gonna want to do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This code is difficult. Now we will see. And now we just see it. I'll make an expanded menu tomorrow.
Sorry. There's no time.
The Backrooms demo.
Pick up. Sorry.
Play.
It's time for our devices. You'll get taken.
Boom.
Pick up.
Look at this.
Pick up. It's time to take our devices. Taken.
Hold on. Look. When I click play, it takes me to the blank screen. Is that cool? And that's how you make a custom play button or any button. It just takes you to the backdrop, or just do switch to backdrop for other buttons that aren't in it.
You know, like you. Well,
Anyway, bye.